I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood.
The civil rights movement gathered momentum in 1955 when Rosa Parks, a black woman, was arrested for refusing to give up her seat to a white man on a public bus in Montgomery, Alabama. The incident galvanized the black community and led to a successful year-long boycott of the Montgomery bus system. It also raised public awareness of the plight of African Americans. In 1957, President Eisenhower ordered in the Army to ensure that black students would be safe when they enrolled in a previously segregated high school in Little Rock, Arkansas. Protests by blacks, in combination with increasing white support, followed. An eminent leader with a great vision emerged in Martin Luther King, Jr. King's policy of nonviolent resistance gained sympathy for the civil rights movement, and his impassioned speeches influenced millions of Americans. In 1963, over 200,000 people participated in a march on Washington to hear Dr. King and demonstrate their support for the Civil Rights Bill.
Will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream.
In 1964, President Lyndon Johnson signed into law the strongest civil rights bill in the history of the country.